Hello, in this video we're going to describe how to make a star have a supernova and then become a black hole part 2. Supernova. So in the two diagrams here we see the star's shell after the fuel has been shut down by the separation of the gravity element and wormhole element that was interdimensionally providing fuel to the star. So the fuel is cut off and combustion ceases. Then what happens? The star's shell is teleported out and instantaneously swapped for a nuclear bomb. So after combustion is ended, the star's shell is teleported into another dimension and swapped for a nuclear bomb which is encased in barium. So what barium does is it prevents gamma radiation from being emitted from the fission reaction and prevents radioactive fallout. So there's no radioactive fallout whatsoever with the presence of barium when barium encases a fission device. So, have you got any examples of that on this Earth? Yes, we have. So the Tunguska comet was intercepted by heaven, and a barium encased nuclear bomb was used to break the comet up into pieces, which were then teleported into another dimension, except for a few rocks which were allowed to land in the Tunguska forest. So that's an example of barium being used on Earth. The nuclear bomb is of a high yield beyond gigaton yield and encased in barium to block gamma radiation, gamma emission, and prevent radioactive material and debris. So when this happens, we don't want material floating around in space that's radioactive. Otherwise it causes problems to spaceships that might be passing through that area, in the case where there's no black hole. Covering the fission bomb are layers of sediment that are multicolored in order to create a beautiful pattern and imagery. These materials glow afterwards and remain that way for all eternity. So for you astronomers out there, you look out into space and you see these beautiful patterns out there, it is most likely created by this method. So that's something interesting for people to think about, is where those awesome patterns come from. I suspect it could come from the same effect. So the thing about the nuclear bomb is it looks exactly like the star's shell, and the holes are painted on. And it's only there for half a second before detonation. I am the Archangel Daniel, and I'm from heaven.